In this video, I will show you how to make your character to urinate, and I will be using Flipaclip app for this tutorial. And also, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new tutorial, you will be the first to watch the video. Now let's continue making the video. So I'll open up Flipaclip and click on that plus icon. Then I'm going to name my project. So I will just name it Urine Animation Tutorial. Click on done. Then I'm going to click on this place to add my background. So I'll click on it. So I'll just import a background that I've already designed. So I'm going to click on the background to add it to my project. Then I'm going to mark it good from the top, as you can see. So I've already imported the background. Then the next thing is for me to select the canvas size. So I'm going to set my canvas size for YouTube videos, which is 1080p. So I'll select YouTube 1080p. Then I'll click on create project. So I'll start the animation. So we are on the interface of Flipaclip. So the next thing is for you to go to your layer panel. So go to your layer panel, and then from the layer panel you will be able to add your character and your urine, anything you want to animate. That is what you add on the layer. So I'll click on that layer 1, and then I'm going to write my character 1. So from there I will be able to add a character. Then I'll click on that plus icon to add a urine also. So then I'll be on the character. So make sure you name it urine. Then I'll be on that character 1. Then I'm going to import my character. So click on that 3 dots to import your character. So as you can see, I've already designed the character for this animation, so there won't be any need for me to draw any character. There is an app on my phone that allows me to easily design any character of my choice before using it for animation. I have a tutorial video on how I create my cartoon characters on my Telegram channel. So I recommend you click the link in the description of this video in order to gain access to that very video. So moving on, I'm going to go over to the select the lasso tool and then scale my character to match the exact position and the size I want. So when I'm done with positioning my character and scaling it, then the next thing is for me to go over to the layer panel, and then I'm going to add a new frame. So I will just add a new frame. I'll clone last frame for it. So I'll add a new frame. Then the next thing is for me to now go over to the layer panel, and from there I will be able to add my urine. So when it comes to animation, now urine animation, you have to draw different poses. So I've already designed all these things so that when the urine starts, like when you start animating the urine in different poses, you'll be able to achieve a character that is urinating. So if you want to learn how to make animation moves on your smartphone, I recommend you join my animation class, where I will teach my students how to animate and make animation move to your characters on your smartphone. So it's also available on my Telegram channel. So make sure you click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel and then gain access to my animation class. Now observe the way I am positioning the urine. So I'm adding different urine based on for the way I want to achieve the urine animation. So you need to add different poses of urine. So I'll add my second image, then scale it, make sure that the leg matches so that the animation will be smooth. So always observe the leg and make sure that it is in the same position with the first one. So that is how you go about doing the animation. Then go to the urine. I'm going to import my urine. So I'm going to import my urine. So you see my urine there. So I'm going to use my lasso tool and then scale it based on the reference, and then I'll be able to scale it properly. When scaling it, make sure that it is different from the previous one, so that when you play the video, the thing will look as if the character is urinating true. Now, the reason I'm adding images of characters is because I added a secondary action to the character's mouth because he was sucking his hand. So that was the reason why we added multiple character image, like up to 2 or 3. It's because of I animated the hand to be sucking the mouth. That's why. So it's also part of the principles of animation. We have secondary action. Even though I want to urinate, then I added the secondary action, which is the character is seen licking his hand. So all these things are what you learn when you join my animation class. You get a well-detailed tutorial on all those animation topics. So I'll go to the urine and then keep on adding my urine based on each frame. So I'll just be fast about it. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll just be fast about it. And I have something to tell you. If you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Click on the subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So let me continue with my explanation. So now the next thing is for you to go to the next frame and then add all the urines based on, like, if the character finish urinating, there are supposed to be a kind of a urine that is dropping until the urine start dropping. So that is what I'm going to do now. You will see how I ended the urine animation. You see, so I'm adding all this urine to show that the character have already finished urinating. You see the way I position it close to the one that I did before. Then on the next frame I'll add another one also. So all these things is the way you make your animation come to life, you see. And this one will be a little bit closer to the leg, showing that the urine have started dropping. He is about to finish urinating. So I'll go ahead and add the last one. So I'm going to add the last one now. Click on that red dot and then I'll add my last urine. Okay, so then when I'm done, I'll click on make movie. Okay, you see that my Flipaclip is a premium version, so all my students get the premium version for the animation class. Okay, so I'm going to click on make movie. So I'm going to export my video. So when you finish exporting your video, you can now play your video and also share it to your social media platform. So let's play the video now and see. So you see now our character is urinating, number one. Then he's licking his hand, which is a secondary action. So the primary goal is for the character to urinate, then I added a secondary action to it. All these things are part of principles of animation. So guys, so that is all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to this channel and also like this video, share this video, and also comment where you are watching from. Okay, I'm going to drop a new tutorial next week, so make sure you subscribe. Okay, alright. And if you want to learn how to create cartoon videos, I recommend you join my animation class, where I will teach you how to create cartoon animation videos. So click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel, and from there contact me for my animation class. Thank you. See you on the next video.